Yo, what is up you guys? It's your travel girl. I'm back again, and we are about to embark on a wild adventure to the other side of the world. We're talking about South Asia, baby. Specifically, the beautiful island nation of Sri Lanka. Get ready for crazy wildlife, epic views, and enough delicious food to make you want to loosen your belt a few notches. I'm talking about ancient temples, stunning beaches, and maybe even a few elephants along the way. You guys know I love a good challenge, so stay tuned to see if I survive climbing a giant rock fortress or trying to surf without wiping out. This is gonna be epic. Let's do it! Alright guys, first up we're tackling Sigiriya Rock Fortress. This place is legendary. It's this massive rock formation that juts straight out of the jungle, and on top, a whole ancient city. I'm talking gardens, pools, palaces, the works. Of course, getting up there was no joke. Let's just say I'm glad I decided to skip leg day at the gym because this climb was a workout. Thousands of steps, guys, thousands. I'm pretty sure my legs turned to jelly about halfway up. But let me tell you, the view from the top, totally worth every single step. You can see for miles in every direction. Lush green jungle as far as the eye can see. It's like something out of Jurassic Park, but with fewer dinosaurs, thankfully. We even saw some monkeys hanging out near the top. They were pretty chill, just doing their monkey business, you know? I tried to teach them how to do a fist bump, but they weren't really feeling it. Tough crowd, these monkeys. Seriously though, if you're ever in Sri Lanka, Sigiriya is a must-see. Just be prepared for a serious leg workout. Maybe bring some snacks for the journey too. You'll thank me later. Next stop, we're headed to Kandy to visit the Temple of the Tooth. This place is sacred to Buddhists because it's said to hold a relic of the Buddha himself, one of his teeth. I know, right? Pretty wild. Naturally, I spent the whole time looking for the tooth fairy. I even left a few dollars under my pillow the night before, just in case. No luck, guys. Guess the tooth fairy's got a pretty exclusive clientele. But seriously, this temple is stunning. The architecture, the gold, the intricate carvings, it's like stepping back in time. The atmosphere is really peaceful and serene too. You can feel the history and the spirituality of the place. Plus, the offerings they make are amazing. Flowers, incense, everything smells incredible. It's a whole sensory experience. I tried to blend in by offering a bag of gummy bears, but I don't think that's exactly traditional. If you're looking for a dose of culture and history, the Temple of the Tooth is definitely worth a visit. Just don't expect to find the tooth fairy. Trust me on that one. Get ready for an adventure because we're headed to Yala National Park for a safari. This place is crawling with wildlife, elephants, leopards, crocodiles, you name it. It's like stepping onto the set of National Geographic, but way more unpredictable. We piled into a jeep and set off into the wilderness, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. We saw herds of elephants just chilling, munching on leaves like it was no big deal. We saw monkeys swinging through the trees, peacocks strutting their stuff, and even a few crocodiles lurking in the water. And the leopards, these guys are notoriously elusive, but we actually managed to spot one. It was incredible. This majestic creature just lounging in the grass, soaking up the sun. I tried to challenge it to a staring contest, but it totally ignored me. Guess I'm not as intimidating as I thought. The whole experience was just mind-blowing. It's one thing to see these animals in a zoo, but to see them in their natural habitat, just living their best lives, it's truly humbling. If you're an animal lover, a visit to Yala National Park is an absolute must. Just make sure to bring your zoom lens and your sense of adventure, and maybe leave the leopard whispering to the professionals. Avast, me hearties! We're setting sail for Gala Fort, a coastal gem with a history as rich as a pirate's treasure chest. This place has seen it all. Portuguese, Dutch, British, you name it, they've sailed through here. Walking through the fort is like stepping back in time. The streets are lined with colourful colonial buildings, charming cafes, and shops selling all sorts of treasures. I even found a shop selling eye patches and pirate hats. Naturally, I had to try them on. You know me, always got to accessorize. I may not have found any buried treasure, but exploring the fort was an adventure in itself. We climbed the old ramparts, checked out the lighthouse, and even stumbled upon a cricket match. Let's just say my cricket skills need a little work. Gala Fort is the perfect blend of history, culture, and coastal charm. It's a place where you can wander for hours, soaking up the atmosphere and imagining the stories these old walls could tell. So grab your eye patch and your sense of adventure, and prepare to be captivated by the magic of Gala Fort. All aboard the Adventure Express. We're headed to Ella, a hill country paradise known for its stunning scenery and, of course, the iconic Nine Arches Bridge. The train ride to Ella is an experience in itself. It winds its way through lush tea plantations, offering breathtaking views of the rolling hills and valleys. I felt like I was on a movie set. I even tried to recreate that scene from Titanic, you know, the one, but the wind wasn't really cooperating. And then there's the Nine Arches Bridge. This thing is massive. It's like something out of a fairy tale, this majestic bridge stretching across the valley surrounded by greenery. We waited for a train to pass by and let me tell you, it was epic. Of course, I couldn't resist waving at everyone like I was a celebrity on a parade float. Hey, when in Rome, right? Or, in this case, when in Ella. Ella is a must-visit for any traveller looking to escape the hustle and bustle and reconnect with nature. Just be prepared to be blown away by the beauty of it all. Aloha from Marissa Beach. This place is paradise on earth. Golden sands, crystal clear waters, and waves that are just begging to be surfed. Or at least that's what I thought. I decided to channel my inner surfer dude and give it a go. Spoiler alert, it didn't go as planned. Let's just say I spent more time underwater than on top of the board. Those waves are tougher than they look. But hey, it's all about the experience, right? And besides, even wiping out on a surfboard can't dampen the beauty of Marissa Beach. I spent the rest of the day soaking up the sun, sipping on fresh coconuts, and watching the real surfers do their thing. Marissa is the perfect place to relax, unwind, and embrace the laid-back beach vibes. Just maybe leave the surfing to the pros, or at least to those who have a better sense of balance than I do. Get ready to be amazed because we're headed to the Dambulla Cave Temple, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that's over 2,000 years old. This place is incredible. It's a complex of 5 caves carved into a massive rock face, and inside, over 150 Buddha statues, intricate murals, and a whole lot of history. I'm talking giant golden Buddhas, reclining Buddhas, meditating Buddhas, you name it, they've got it. It's like a museum dedicated to all things Buddha, and it's absolutely breathtaking. I even tried to get my Zen on and meditate for a bit. Keyword tried. Those murals were so captivating I kept getting distracted. It's hard to focus on your inner peace when you're surrounded by such incredible art. Dambulla Cave Temple is a must-visit for anyone interested in history, art, or just experiencing something truly awe-inspiring. Just don't blame me if you can't quite achieve Zen mastery. Those murals are seriously distracting. Get ready for a whole lot of cuteness because we're headed to the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage. This place is home to dozens of orphaned and injured elephants, and it's impossible not to fall in love with these gentle giants. We got to watch the elephants bathe in the river, which was basically the cutest thing I've ever seen. I'm talking baby elephants splashing around, playing with each other, and just generally being adorable. I swear, my heart couldn't handle the cuteness overload. We even got to feed them. They love their fruits and vegetables, and they weren't shy about letting us know when they wanted more. I'm pretty sure one of them tried to steal my hat too. Visiting the Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage was an unforgettable experience. It's heartwarming to see these animals being so well cared for, and it's a reminder of the importance of conservation. If you're an animal lover, this place is a must-visit. Just be prepared to have your heart melted by a whole lot of elephant love. Oh yes, everybody, I almost forgot. I have included some great travel-related links in the description below. You can find everything from resorts and hotels to car hire and travel insurance, plus lots more. I hope you find them useful. Sri Lanka, you guys! What a trip! From climbing ancient fortresses to hanging out with elephants, this place has it all. I'm talking stunning scenery, delicious food, and enough adventure to last a lifetime. I came, I saw, I attempted to surf, and failed miserably. But most importantly, I made memories that I'll never forget. Sri Lanka, you've stolen a piece of my heart, and maybe one of my socks, but that's a story for another time. If you're looking for an unforgettable travel experience, Sri Lanka is calling your name. And hey, if you decide to visit, let me know. Maybe next time I'll actually conquer those waves, or maybe I'll just stick to elephant cuddles. Either way, it's gonna be epic. Don't forget to subscribe for more crazy adventures.